peaceful day, everyone. Welcome to AK Farm. For today's video, we will talk about the foods that are dangerous to chickens. I always encounter questions about what happened to their chickens, why suddenly they die. They will say a while ago they are healthy, they are active, but suddenly they will just drop and it's already dead. Then you will ask, are they sick? They have cough, they have something not good, but they will say nothing. They are lively, they are healthy, but all of a sudden they will die. Maybe we just don't know that in our surroundings, in their coop or around the area that they are allowed to roam around, there is something that is not good for them. So accidentally, maybe they ingested it and causes them to die. So in this video, we will talk about the foods that are not good to our chicken. First, this is very common. Maybe sometimes we give them potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplant because this is a leftover in the kitchen. But guys, raw potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplant are not good to our chickens. Why? Because it contains solanine, which is toxic to chickens. But if you cook these vegetables, the toxic compound can be broken down, so it is already safe to our chickens. But if you are worried, you have a choice not to give it to them. Okay? And then next, it also has in our kitchen the onions. Onions in small quantities cannot be fatal to our chickens, but if you feed your chicken with large quantities of onions, it can cause anemia or jaundice. Jaundice means they will look yellowish, jaundice, and sometimes fatal. Fatal means it will cause your chicken to die. Okay, why? Because onions contains thiosulfate, which destroys red blood cells. Okay, next, avocados. Wow, it's yummy. I like it. It's my favorite food. Avocados contains the toxin persin, which is associated with myocardial necrosis, which is where the heart stops working. So, in human, avocados is very good because it contains a lot of nutrients and vitamins, but in our chickens, avocados are dangerous. Okay, and then next, citrus fruit. Citrus probably cannot kill your chickens, but however, if you use However, if you give them a large quantities of citrus, it will cause a drop in egg production. So, maybe you can give them in moderation, a small quantity, not that much, okay? And then, next, dried raw beans. Raw or uncooked, dried, uncooked, dried, or raw, uncooked, okay? Beans cannot be given to your chickens. Why? Because it contains hemagglutinin, which can be toxic to your chicken. Also, you cannot give your chicken chocolate or sweet things because it contains toxin, methylxanthines, or theobromine, which is when you give it too much to them, too much sugar, it will cause your chicken to be overweight. That will lead to the drop of your egg production. Okay, you cannot also give them cereals, oats, wet rice, a lot of it, because it will cause your chicken to be overweight. Okay, and then you cannot also give your chicken coffee, ground coffee, because if your chicken eat coffee that contains caffeine and methylxanthine, two compounds are toxic and potentially harmful to your chickens. Okay, aside from this, you cannot give your chickens the apple seeds. Okay, you cannot give apple seeds to your chickens because apple seeds contain cyanides which can kill your chickens. Any part of the apple is good but not the seeds. Okay, and then salty foods. You cannot give salty foods to your chickens because they will suffer salt poisoning. Also, moldy foods, you cannot give it to them because if you feed molded food to them, it can cause illness and be fatal to your chickens. Aside from this, there are a list of plants that are poisonous to your chickens. Okay, the bloodroot, bull nettle, bracken, bryony, curlisweed, castor bean, cocklebur, delphinium, fern, foxglove, ground ivy, hemlock, horse chestnut, horseradish, yaset, hydrangea, ivy, laburnum, the seeds, lantana, lily of the valley, nightshade, rhododendron, St. John's wort, tulip, water hemlock, and yew. Okay guys, these plants cannot be given to your chicken. Actually, the list of these plants are seldom found in Asian countries, but in Europe and American continents, they have a lot of it. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching my video. See you again on my next videos. Please keep posted, guys. Thank you so much. An industry that feeds you is an industry worth fighting for. See you on my next videos. Happy farming and God bless us.